Hello, I made a huge Funko order. It just came in, so I have a whole bunch of mystery minis to unbox. The first one I'm going to do is going to be one of my favorites. It's the Looney Tunes WB series. So this is a box of 12. I do order these directly from a Funko supplier, so they have not been cherry picked. I know that I have a fair chance of getting some good ones. All these boxes were wrapped in plastic. I've already removed the plastic. I just haven't opened them. It just makes it a little easier. So we have 12 to open. And so these are a series that some are more rare than others. So the most rare on this box is going to be Quick Draw McGraw. He is 1 out of 72. So these are classic Looney Tune characters. Hopefully you're familiar with Looney Tune characters. So let's start with the first one. So like I said, there's 12 boxes. The one that I really want is Marvin the Martian. He is 1 out of 6. So we're going to get him. That's pretty common. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and cut the bags open with scissors. So the first one we get is, Dino? How do you pronounce that? Dino from the Flintstones. Oh my god, he's cute. Okay, I'm definitely glad I got that one. Very, very cute. The next one. The glue is not very strong on these boxes. This is a small one. This is probably going to be Jerry. I bet it's Jerry. Yes, it is. It is Jerry from Tom and Jerry. And he's so cute, too. Very cute. Alright, next one. Let's see. Yeah, I definitely want Marvin the Martian. I'm just looking to see which ones I really, really want. This one is, Fred Flintstone. Very cute. Next one. I'm trying to guess what they are, but I don't know. This is definitely don't know. Okay, so this one is Huckleberry Hound. This is my husband's favorite. No duplicates yet, but I've only opened 4, so hopefully we won't have too many duplicates. Oh, Bugs Bunny. Very cute. He's very, very cute. Alright, 6th box. Oh, yay! Marvin the Martian. I got him. And he's carrying a flag. That's really cool. Very, very cool. I wish... Ooh, I dropped him. I cannot remember his name. Marvin the Martian, the big orange alien. What was he called? This thing? I don't know. That would have been cool if he would have been one of the toys, too. But he's not. So, this is the 7th box. Alright, no duplicates. I'm praying no duplicates. It would be nice to have a complete set, but I haven't had good luck. Oh, I'm having really good luck today. Sylvester? He looks very, very angry. I'm running out of room to put all these toys. Next one is, Marvin the Martian, but I'm not complaining getting a duplicate of my favorites. So that means I'm definitely not going to get a complete set. 1 duplicate so far. I have 4 left. That's actually pretty good. And I got my favorite, so as a duplicate. Alright. This one is Sylvester again. Sylvester is 1 in 6. So I got a duplicate. 2 duplicates. The Marvin the Martian was 1 in 6 too. So the Dino was 1 out of 36, so that's a pretty good one. And then the next hardest is 1 out of 72. So Foghorn Leghorn and Quick Draw McGraw is 1 out of 72. So those are the 2 rare ones. And who else have we not got? We've not got Tom yet. And Tom and Jerry. And we have not got Yogi the Bear. So this one is... Okay, there we go. Speak of the Devil. Yogi the Bear, and he's got a little picnic basket. So cute. And he is 1 out of 6. And it looks like there's stuff in the basket. That's adorable. Alright, that goes in that one. I'm just throwing these boxes on the floor. Alright, 2 more. 2 more. Let's see. This one feels kind of fat. This is going to be a bigger one. This is, oh, and Yogi the Bear. 2 in a row. Alright. Let's see who else we're gonna get. And oh my goodness, what a bummer. Another brain freeze Bugs Bunny. So we got 2 Bugs Bunnies, 2 Yogi the Bear, and 2 Marvin the Martian, and 2 Sylvester. So we got 4 duplicates. So that means out of the series we did not get Tom from Tom and Jerry. We did not get Foghorn Leghorn, and we did not get Boo Boo from Yogi the Bear, and we did not get Huckleberry. No. We got Quick Draw McDraw. So we were missing, I cannot count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 4. And we got 4 duplicates. Duh. 4 and 4. So, alright. That's pretty good. This one, as much as I love Marvin the Martian, I'm definitely going to have to say, oh, Dino is my favorite. My second favorite. Isn't he adorable? That one is so cute. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I'm going to have a bunch more toy unboxings, and please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.